Okay, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to spy on our competitors' ads. This is really useful for getting ideas around creative, looking at copy and what copy works and what doesn't, and then also looking at the offers that our competitors are running and how we can beat those. Okay, I'm going to jump behind the screen and show you how this is done. Okay, cool. So let's take, for example, that I'm running a subscription service, a subscription box, and it's in the beauty space. So if I want to spy on my competitors' ads, this is how I would do it. So you head over to Facebook, and from here, you're going to think about who your biggest competitor is. And so the big one in this space is Birchbox. You might know it, you might not. But what you're going to do is you're going to search Birchbox on Facebook and go to their business page. This is what their business page looks like. Got their about section, and so on and so forth, photos, videos, blah, blah, blah. But on the left-hand side towards the bottom, you see this page transparency. This is what we're looking for. Essentially, this is where all the juicy information is. So you're going to hit page transparency, and then you'll get a pop-up just like this. And you'll head to the bottom and you'll see ads from this page. From here, if it says this page is currently running ads, jackpot. Basically, we can now look at the ads that they're actually running, and yeah, take some inspiration, spy on them, whatever we want to do. So let's check it out. Okay, cool. So this is what the back end of the ads from a business looks like. So you have at the top, you have filter by your location, platforms, impressions to date. Really, you can pick and choose where the locations you want to look at. That's helpful for different reasons. But to get straight into it, essentially, as you scroll down, you start to see when these ads launched and what they're shouting about. And so, if I had a subscription box in this space, I would want to see what these guys are doing, because usually that's a sign, indication of what's working. Particularly if it's a big company that is no doubt going to have a big agency, big spend behind them. They're going to really have a lot of time and money to chuck at this. So we can really try to unpick what's working for them and use it for ourselves. So yeah, they've got a bunch of ads in terms of videos. You can see placements, what they're going across Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, Messenger. So that's across all placements. So I would look to try that. Really, it's just more about getting a feel for the actual creatives. So with subscription boxes, flat lays tends to be a thing which works really well. Here's a great example. So if these guys are doing it, that means it's working. Also, I always like to look at the copy that they're running. So have you seen this month's beauty treats? If you haven't yet, check them out. So this is really short, to the point, little emoji in there. No long form captions or headlines, which is interesting. And also what's interesting is to see the call to action that they use. So they use learn more, a few shop nows, but a lot of learn mores, which is interesting. Usually I would look to use shop now, but if learn more seems to be working for them, then great. So yeah, this is really helpful in terms of if I'm stuck from scratch, I'm like, I don't know what creative we should have to run as ads. Literally just go and check out all your competitors. Look at a number of them. Don't just check out one. And then look through the ads, see what's working, see what's not, in terms of what they're actually running, and then basically try and make your own version of that creative. And it has to just essentially match up to the big players in that space. Something which I'm interested by is that they haven't actually got any offers at the minute that I can see. So usually I would look to try and include an offer, which would be, so this is maybe how we can beat Birchbox. We can run an ad which is shouting about 50% off your first box, or 20% off your first box, or lots of referral schemes and things like that. So yeah, there's lots of options here. Really good place for inspiration, for spying your competitors, what they're doing. And usually that's an indicator of what's working. So yeah, I hope this is really helpful. Let me know how you get on in the comments. And as always, please hit subscribe and thumbs up. It really helps the channel get more eyeballs. Okay, thanks.